Hi, I'm the one from Whisking. Today our topic is not a whiskey and it's not a traveling. Today on my table we have French cognac Hennessy Paradis. Paradis is one of the most expensive bottles from Hennessy. It's a blend of more than 100 different casks, and the liquid inside the bottle is between 25 and 130 years old. Today I'm going to unbox this bottle and see what's inside. So the presentation from Hennessy is really beautiful. The box is really huge and very heavy. Box with the bottle inside is about 3 kilos. This is not a leather. It looks like leather, but in reality it's very high quality plastic. You can see in the bottom of the box there is a huge button which you should press to open the bottle box, like this. Some kind of passport is included in the box. Hennessy Paradis Rare Cognac. I don't know what's inside this passport. Okay, so now let's see the bottle itself. The bottle looks like this. Really wonderfully made bottle, very thick. You can see these wonderful borders of the glass, and the shape is really wonderful. You can do things like this with the box and put the bottle, and you can have presentation like this at your home in your collection. It looks really wonderful. So what's written on the bottle? Let's see. So, Hennessy Paradis Rare Cognac for duty-free sales only. It's 40 ABV, and that's it. There is nothing written actually on the bottle, just the name, and that's it, and ABV. And let's see the box. Yeah, also nothing is written on the box. So all we know about this bottle is what I already told you, that it's from 25 to 130 years old liquid inside, and more than blend from more than 100 casks, different casks. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. And now I'm going to show this bottle for you from near distance. Thank you. Bye.